especially Abra who say Carlo Ancelotti decided say but Brazil national team no consider because no one sure about the stance when it comes to more or less continue as a Real Madrid coach and also uncle take a new adventure due to trophies and on your ready so bet imagine and also ultimate. It will be any dia Real Madrid and Casano, the pedigree that honor the league proper and the UEFA Champions League. When one to me and the league and also when to me the Champions League, I'll be rest assured say free the also to me for an hour. No before froba. But there Real Madrid, let me say to the Biana or Motel Jack Akrani say, or more person mum na type amum. I don't know person wa obeje adwuma no ho ya dey akọ
omo na also omo pam
omo also omo na pam ne ka se dwuma de ne anu di ye ne sesi ba bi adu na pem fa kwan ne so yenye dey yemfa kwa omo mpe ne se wa wote wonom na no aba no abeka se bi a me sesi ba bi adu de it na Zinedine Zidane de ne ba has a big surprise to them em se komo kakra se nipa omatimi ne na tena ne na ye adwuma che na afi be drum pepe so bi no obeka chom so oja wonom de akọ. But when Carlo Ancelotti is in a state of dilemma because Real Madrid are sure they say on finishing the contract which is next year June 30th, 2024. But on one so tennis no dream will be who the way Real Madrid is city after some year be in 2014 no. Okase or tenana se matches be results Akomeah. I'm sure meti meja no kwa manako as at that time so maybe Brazil adwuma no akwa kodi obi fufuro. The biggest opportunity he would also want to get near to be coaching the Brazilian national team. Wadi ka kan wasem dada. And nipa na nkofuku omugina muntem edi sa nkomoni nyina Ronaldo de Lima ne kaka.
Omo na edi se ejuma.
Omo na gina ntem wudendenden between the Brazilian FA and Carlo Ancelotti the agents. Omujitum said they need a figure in their dressing room who can keep their squad together. And there's a lasting relationship between Real Madrid and Brazil so especially in recruitment of young talent. Through Khalifa. Now, why how am I consistent with those things? Aboa, I'm a munse timiaka results. I'm a mako yediamomo. Iti abu baby amitino. Me wuni se Carlo Ancelotti at the end of the season after the last game on this weekend. No, abu there's going to be a decision that is going to come out. If Omuni say enye clear Real Madrid episode mo continue with him. On say Vinicius about on tiaka so ontina. Tony Cruz about on tiaka say ontina.
Oda meba ye we na dan ho kakrabra. Ona ye remu ana ye nin komo na ye hwe sere niema esi etie anyway na ye remu ana ye hwe sere niema esi eko ti mesiako na meze abomode etimi ato ankomo no so na wadi ne kama pa na bibibia enso adeda ye etimi ediamenti na ona Ancelotti na yahu sere niema no esi etie na bibibia nso no etimi adeda ti so oguso hwene ye wonkomo bebredi ofidioma that mreni ntini we ya ti ye hwena yetimi ayeya na yakọ na aboana ne ma dadi ti eche mesa akọ na yato aso na ayeya ti meza so mo one yanko
me when dia em say de ba ko sini de kwa no beja hono makọ okore Karim Benzema in terms of this Real Madrid setup so abu Karim Benzema likely say Real Madrid no on next season into aso on next season into aso omo offer $214 million e Saudi Arabia so Mesia Kaima Al Ittihad Jeddah na omo person omo so ye na ambassador towards hosting the World Cup in 2030.
Yes,
it offer omo de ama Carlo Ancelotti they believe say between Greece, Egypt ni omo Saudi Arabia no already no
omo de ama Karim Benzema
and dem papa and omo already a representative from Egypt dada who is the captain of the side which is Ahmed Hagazi. Now omo chitu mi so omo de Karim Benzema be kawa and already omo na esa so hosting the FIFA Club World Cup. It on figure bit say Karim Benzema na de ne ba so imagine no Mesia kana so modern Maudi and no ko ide ana Banse friend Benzema na ngasa no the contract extension with Real Madrid no almost that man reply as a stance and there have been several issues say you born Manchester City game ni we Real Madrid e ko lose by 4 goals in whilst other players say be ni not 10 already no say Vinicius Junior complains about Monte say Toma na bi omoye no kansem bi chena na so no de why na dey so betwe no ho agina chi kaka as the captain of the side not 10 other players mom e ko to kwane de ma Vinicius Junior and then omo kwaji Copa del Rey no omo ba presentation no e was Santiago Bernabeu Karim Benzema e hwe na kira kwan Karim Benzema ye hu no se obedi emu one double game ne de but no more gidi say at least hold the trophy come to the face of your supporters ni nyina no no mu nyina hu na ne man ko ye fa mo but so tete it is the belief say unya na nkasa na me say the 1 year contract extension he doesn't want to do it. It is says kana aba be pemu ho no onko no koji says kana no fancy ni na so en Karim Benzema e didi ni come say the contract na nkasa be 2024 with extension no to anya dey adi so ja ho 35 years $214 million abu mutie alitial for last year on make say omo sign player bi omo below Messi ni salary level omo so omo sign player bi below Messi ni ana salary so dey how o so much important for the Arab nations and abu Karim Benzema ebe movie to Saudi Arabia no akwaje says can e dey siri na so then you mako FC Barcelona e did nkomo so betima sane abante friend Joao Cancelo but abu 70 million pounds
70 million pounds
City and the Abuatabo mo dey ato no so no
for Joao Cancelo 70 million pounds
yes but only say Manchester City na nkasa no they are very good in business and Omobo surprised that definitely with their relationship with Tiki Bergestein and Pep Guardiola and Barcelona they are going to buy this guy not more than even 50 million pounds. On Besano, Amanaka Kusia kind of they are still doing the rebuilding. Omuji 2 years ago, they are back. Bob the moon in a bomb more than the Baronia branch, you bet my right back, you bet my boss left back. So call with the 3-back system, necessary, or very good at the amount system. Niti Barcelona, didn't come on. Or maybe claim Shabo and the personal terms is not a problem between Barcelona and Joao Cancelo. A branch and a qua and more than 150,000 euros a week. And Abu Wajia to so besi akandi ama FC Barcelona. Barcelona be contacté Tiki Bergestein mo and Pep Guardiola mo next week. No ma conclude ni o man na branch na ba besi akandi ho ana stumbling block no so metimi aboama ni o ma koyi. Then we move quickly to Chelsea. Anopeya yon kwati a Chelsea ankasa no say already omo si one e fe Tom Glick.
Yes.
And then was stepping down on no everyone but papa e fe Chris Jurasek. And about so Jumadi no Ediama 8 friend Chelsea. I'm here your my betima koyi Ediamomo. Now they've changed coach, they've changed their CEO, and now they are heading towards making sure something very vibrant when it comes to the transfer market. Now I'm really getting. Abraham Tiama didn't come on last week. Say Paris Saint-Germain. And you are branching and agree personal terms. The Chelsea are testing actually.
Mano Ugarte.
Chelsea are testing actually.
Chelsea no is there a baby a team they corner midfielders na on Ugarte Subam say.
Yes, Ugarte will play a pivotal role because they need a defensive midfielder to complement Enzo Fernandez so well.
Oh, okay.
Especially in defense. Anyhow, I'll get a lot of tackles, interceptions. Abua are controlling the tempo of the also Abrante Feno Enzo Nankasani are more of a controller. Not necessarily a proper defensive midfielder because only they be any ninja. Obe control possession, obe dictating the pace of the game. And Manuel Ugarte the Abu Dhabi. Abrante NC ono so the Chelsea for na bemu no so na ni jehun. Now only Lipa facilitated that deal no Oye Mendes. Let's not forget that Oye Mendes has been the center of affairs between Chelsea and Enzo Fernandez. Doing a breaking through no against Omoni Benfica mo no. And the you benya jidi agya tum say Manuel Ugarte as it stands the Chelsea come odi na du akire. Na man for ye o madre say Chelsea the player bi ko kan there be entesa. Chelsea are ready to pay the clause, and I say release clause, which is 60 million euros, but in a payment structure, amortization. On which year 1, year 2, year 2, year 3, year 3, year 3. Abrante and Ankasa, the Omo ya aware. Say Chelsea video nya about the ball. Mano Ugarte na nya Chelsea na about the ball. Paris Saint-Germain so enyen free mu de. Campus and region also bet me na ba pim. No about one home de my Paris Saint-Germain in terms of the sporting project. But Abu, what is our 2 sporting projects na Ankasa to nsenia. Na no one atia na Ankasa Fabio Ruiz bo over Vitinha mu nyina ne Carlo Soler mu nyina no. Omukoye no as a consistency performance let to say the quality of the French Ligue and Obi Obobo of Portugal has a dream of playing in the English Premier League. Obi Obobo of Portugal. Yes, they have a dream of because it is the most popular league and then one person Weber. That is why Enzo Fernandez was so much of that on making sure so that we move to England. They believe that it is the most watched league and if you want to now buy a stepping stone and my real self and then you know who some million only one ball and 2 years so we play more England every say a kind of match Chelsea a bit number so as a stance Chelsea and they leading the race to sign Abrante and Manuel Ugarte after Paris Saint-Germain share discussions I said they were close last week now unless they change and almost discarded the count and you know Portugal team is there but they want the Betoma wow see Casono and you bet major play and wow payment structure and be boy you know any bit major player at the Amamani Makoira. But the biggest question we are asking this summer is between Gonzalo Ramos, you look at Hurricane and you look at Victor Osimhen. Why any movie Akomeah and I say why and they make sure so much for filling the strikers role.